Hey, I'm Renee from Ripple's Mind Body Breath, and today we're switching on turbo breath mode. This is a bold and energizing breath sequence where we move through 3 different levels. Each one's designed to shift your state, sharpen your mind, and bring your body online. You'll start in first gear, which is a big, full, forceful breaths. Then you'll shift into second gear, which is the same strong inhale, but with a gentler exhale and release. And finally, we'll ease into third gear, which is a light breath, but it's controlled and it's steady. Now, this technique is your go-to when your mind's been racing and your body feels wired, or you're just craving a moment of clarity, because this style of breathing creates focus and energy, but it also calms that scattered, chaotic type feeling. This is a big, full inhale, drawing your breath up from your pelvic floor. Follow this inhale with a powerful exhale, releasing it completely and clearing all that space. In this mode, the inhale is still strong, but your exhale softens to about 60% of that force, expanding your ribs and releasing that tension. In this mode, your breath softens further, so it will be 60% effort in and 60% effort out. It's still energizing, but it's more spacious, like you're floating. In this Ripples flow, each gear will last for about 1 minute. But you can always stay longer or shift gears faster depending on what your energy needs are for that day. This breath technique meets you exactly where you're at and then lifts you to where you want to be. All right, let's move into it. We'll start in gear 1, then ride the wave down. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Feel that shift? That's mental clarity and aliveness running through your body because you just shifted gears on purpose with your breath. Now, if you love that, there's more waiting for you in our Ripples Daily Breath Flows playlist, which is full of breath work that fires up your focus and brings you back to yourself. Okay, so keep breathing powerfully, and I will see you in the next video.